So hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make variables and how to work with integers. Okay, so in the interactive mode I will press Ctrl N. Suppose I just need to print a single number. So what I will do, I will make a variable. Suppose I'm taking number 1 equals to 5. Suppose. And if I want to print this number, I will simply write print. And in between the brackets, I will write num1. Again, I have to save this program. Second program dot py f5. Here is the number. Now suppose I have to write one more number. It is quite simple. Num2 equals to 10. Print num2. Save f5. Here are the results 5 and 10. And now, what if I want to add these both numbers? So simply, I will take another variable because I'm having two things, and in order to mix them up or to add them, I will be requiring a third thing in which I can or we can keep the previous two things. So I'm taking another container, another variable that is sum. But here, as you can see, the sum has been turned into purple color. It means it's a method already or it's a keyword. So we just cannot make any variable which is having a name similar to a keyword. So we will change the word. We can take sum with double n. Now equals to num1 plus num2. And again print the sum. Control S F5. Here's the result. You could have also done one thing because you could have written print num1 plus, num1 plus num2 in the bracket itself. So it will also show the right answer. Now, I don't know what is this. I don't know what is this. And is this the result? What is the result? Whether it is addition, subtraction, or what? So I can also pass a message. I can also write a message with each and everything. Like suppose I am removing this part. Either you can remove or you can just add a hash. It will add a comment. So commenting is basically if a part of code is not required in our coding. So rather than removing or deleting that particular part of code, we can just comment it. So it will be written in the code, but it won't run. काम नहीं करेगा, output show नहीं करेगा. So simply here, if I have to show the first number is num1, so I can write in double quotes. The first number is, and here I will add a comma. Similarly, I can copy this part and here. The second number is num2. And finally here, the sum is sum. Control S, F5 again. So here is the perfect output. What have we done here? We have written a text which will be shown similarly, like as it is. We will separate with a comma and we will write the variable after the comma. Similarly here as well and in the result part as well. I hope it might be clear to you all. So this is how we can work with simple integers. Like after this, you can also find the difference. Difference equals to num1 minus num2. Product equals to num1 into num2. And quotient equals to num1 divided by num2. So now we will have to just print each and everything. Print the difference is comma diff. Similarly, I can also copy this part. It will save my time. And at the last, the quotient is quotient. So let's just save this program. Again F5. Here is the result, the accurate result. So this is how we can work with integers. That was a simple program. However, we will learn in depth in this series. So stay tuned for the next part.